Hello everyone, again welcome to the series of functions. We are going to explore today another new function, which is unit step function. Okay, so we are going to explain what is unit step function. So unit step function. So we are going to explain this. So unit step function looks like this. It is represented by u, and it definitely is a time domain function. That is why it's the function of time, and which is we can write this into piecewise function, where we can write that there is the value is the output value is 1, where the time is greater than 0. Okay, and the output is 0 where the time is less than 0. Okay, so if you put the value of t, which is greater than 0, you will get 1, and if you put the value of t less than 0, I mean the negative numbers, you will get 0. Okay, so how does it looks like? I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna draw this. The figure, draw the line. If you put the value of t greater than 0, I mean in this part, you will get always the value 1. You will always the value 1. Okay, and you will get 0. Okay, you will get 0. That is why it's here. That is why it's here. The value is 0. It's negative t. The value is negative t. Here is the value is positive t. So that is why you will get always the value like this. So this is called the unit step function, where the positive value, for the positive values, amplitude is 1. And if you multiply something with the unit step function, you will get only the positive part. Okay, just give you an example that sine of x. Okay, sine of x and into u of x. Okay, so sine of x into u of x, you can see half of sine of x is like this. It's staying the positive side and the negative side also. But when you are multiplying with this, on that time, this is the u of t. This is the u of t. You are multiplying with this on that, and you know that the u of t has only the positive values. There is no negative values. If you multiply, this value is only 1, and when x is greater than 0, right? And on that time, sin x is sin x. If you put any value of x, then definitely that would be 1. There is no change in that, and it will be changed. So the graph will be like this, only like this. The negative part will be cancelled out. Okay, so that is the unit step function. The unit step was like this, only for the positive values. There is the values exists for the only for the positive values, and also you can shift this function, this step function, into various values if you want. So u of t, it starts from 0, right? 0 to positive values. If you write this u of t minus 1, so that will be like this. That will be like from 1, the value will be start from the 1, and after 1, the values are positive, the values exist. But for the negative values, for the other values is 0, and it starts from 1. If I put the value here 2, then it will start from 2, and only the values will be positive after 2. Okay, so this is all about the unit step function, and thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.